Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Khulume Pro. I hope you stay, I hope you fall in love, and most definitely subscribe. One thing about Umuda Bongs, he would post DJ Zinhle's child, Cairo, and he would also post Asante, guys, his daughter with DJ Zinhle, but he will never, not even a single day, post his firstborn child. And people are complaining, but why? Aben Lutando from Dana, our DJ Zinhle Cairo and Asante Pela, Lulumnyamdana, firstborn Angamnagi, Angangenilani, and but DJ Zinhle, cruel, guys. Because she's married to Umudabong, so yena abekumele ngabe uyamtshela kuMudabong ukuthi hayibo ambulance ingane posting ingane bona ingane nani uyabona because kuyakhombisa nje ukuthi vele khona umntwana labangamphathi kahle, guys, labangamthandi longanakwa, and nathi asiyabona, guys, we don't even have to assume, siyabona vele ukuthi akunelibandluli lolana, guys. Why yena angaposta lo mntwana as if like aka exist because ukhona, guys, batali, guys, ngalesinye isikhathi bana banako lokhetha, especially angazahlukani nemtali, awuvela khethe nje umntwana ubone ukuthi lo sebamvalela ngaphandle, and Mudabongs ukwenda loko 99 and bantu bayamsola futhi nak DJ Zinhle. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you guys on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.